not fair. No, that's not how they play this game.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Anthony. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you know what I always say. You've got my heart and I appreciate you. Without you, this channel probably wouldn't be in existence, and that means a lot to me. Well, for today's video, my boy just came from London and I'm really excited about it. We have, you know, it's actually lit. We went out yesterday, we had a good time, and today I just thought, why not film a video I saw on Instagram with him. So without much to say, let's get right into the video. But before we get right into the video, I want to give you a quick little tip about, you know, what we're gonna do. So you're just gonna put a bowl on this table right here. I'll show you later, don't worry. Put a bowl on this table right here and then start to pour some water in it till it gets filled to the brim, and then whoever spills the water on the table first loses. So that's basically it. So without much to say, let's just go right into it. Anyways, he's ready. Anytime you see him, it's like family to me. I haven't seen him in a while. We all used to live in Ghana before we moved here. So yep, that's about it. Do you have any things you want to say?
I mean, I'm gonna win the game in the ways. I always win, so it's
wait. I think we have some money on it though. Let me get the money. You know, he loves his money, but then I wanted to just give him, you know, that
money, man.
I wanted to give him the benefit of the doubt, right? So that at least if I win him, I know I'm winning him because he's doing a video for me. But since he wants to put money on it,
come on, man, I'm doing it for you. What you saying?
Anyway, so he has his own 20 quid, I have my own 20 quid, and it's just right here. So we're gonna start the video now. Do you want to go first?
Nah, you should, you know.
Are you sure?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Alright, so let me just go light with him, yeah? Let me just go light with him.
Guys, I feel like going all the back.
Let me just go light with him. Because, alright, this is funny because this is something I've practiced over and over again.
Cheers, guys.
It's time to kill him. Look.
No, you can't do that. No. It's not fair. No, that's not how they play this game.
No, I mean,
man, you can't be serious.
The cup is not full, so you
can't be serious.
You can just add a little drop of water.
No, you can't empty your cup.
And
we have to start again. We have to start again. No, it's not fair, man. You can't do this.
No, I mean, I've not won.
Yeah,
I've not won. I need to go get more water.
That's
but
you know, because you can't do this. It's not acceptable. Guys, what do you think?
I just beat him to his game and then
no, it's not acceptable.
Anyway,
just started. You can't clear your cup.
No, I mean, I'm going to get more water. So you just do what you have to do. Let me just go and get more water.
Really?
Yeah, just.
It's always cheating, but
I mean, this is not cheating.
It is what it is, man. It is what it is.
Alright, let's go. That's like me just, you know, I told you I was going to win the money. You didn't believe it.
He's still playing games, man.
Let's go.
This guy. Why are you laughing, man?
This is the way he's being careful. He doesn't want to lose his 20 quid.
Oh, that's mine, you know. I know I'm walking home with this, so
let's go.
Either ways.
It's a very tricky one, right? Sweet. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm gonna win this. You know, I'm gonna win this. No matter how. You know, I feel like this game is just for me to win because it's something I've been doing over and over again. I just didn't tell him because I didn't want him to, you know, feel like I trained for him. But then
the thing is, you trained for me, you know.
No, I mean, I didn't train for the
guys. I'm good at games, yeah. So I'm always winning.
Yesterday, right? I beat him to table tennis like what season.
You saw it on my snap, man. He can never win. You saw it.
Fair enough. I'll add a snap so you can just show it on snap. You light, sweet. Let's go, my boy.
I'm just doing a tiny drop.
How do I feel like we will win this? Yo.
We shall see, man.
Yo, let me just do what I do best, right? Strategize.
Man,
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Are you blind? Nothing, man. Let's go.
Cheers, lots. This guy's so good at games, you know. Roddy Stacks right here.
See, the next one I'm gonna go really hard. I don't want him to just like. I'm giving him too much room to try his best, but then I feel like he doesn't want to win it. Brody,
Man, that's
Brody,
that's not it.
I'll give it to him. I'll give it to him. Sweet, let's go, my boy. Let's go. No time, let's go. No time. What?
Just fucking get it off the line. Let me take the money home.
Sweet, let's go, my boy. Let's go. I told you I'm good at this game. He doesn't believe it, so I'm just gonna do what I do best.
Come on, man. There's no time. I need to take that money quick. I've been playing this game for a while. I'm so beaten.
Let us see.
Yeah, I just want you to know you've been doing this for a while. Yeah, it's the first time, but I'll beat you to it.
At this point, I feel like he's busy. He is scared right now. But then,
guys, watch me.
Just let me just win it and let's get you done and over with. He's so scared.
Guys, watch me.
Just do it, my boy. Just do it, my boy.
I'm so good, man. I'm so fucking good, you know.
Alright, see. Bro, I'm nervous. Let's go. Sweet, my boy. I told you, bro. Wait. Let's talk to them first. You see, when I tell him this is my game, you came to Manchester and you're expecting to beat me. I don't know how that works in his brain, but then I'm still going to give him the benefit of the doubt. Let him try his last try.
Man, you're just talking. Talking.
Let's go, man.
I'm really good at games. Ask around.
Ask about me. Do you know that song?
Yeah, man. R.I.P. to Mobile.
Yeah, shout out to them.
So good at games, man.
Yo, you know, he spilled some water here, right?
Guys,
but we're just gonna give it to him. He spilled some water over here, but
that thing's been there a long time.
Alright, we're just gonna give it to him. Anyways, I mean, there's something I do on the regulars. I don't know why.
You've been practicing for me.
I don't know why he's.
Let's say you've been practicing
Sweet.
for me.
Let's go, my boy. I told you.
So good.
Huh?
So good.
Yo, how is he doing it?
Man.
Let me just. Sweet. If he's so good, then I'm so best. Good, better, best. Good, better, best.
Yeah, man. So good.
Yo, I think at this point I need to like stop.
Games are made for me, man. Ask around.
Let me just, no more jokes. Let me just make this happen now. Bro, let's go. No time, let's go.
It's not like I've got your time either.
Let's go.
I have to just get it off the
No
line.
time, let's
quickly.
go.
Don't mind you spilling everything. I could do the drops all the time.
Do you see what I did?
Yeah.
I gave you 2 drops because I want you to lose.
Yeah, I'm so good with drops, so it's not like I'll lose. Watch me.
Man said he's so good with drops. Man's so good with drops.
Watch me. Just spill it off, man. I need that money quickly. I can't wait.
Do you know who you're playing with? Do you know who you're playing with? Let's go. No time.
Just take a drop, you know. A drop off.
Why do I feel like this is how the game is gonna end? Just do it, my boy. Do it.
Oh.
And wait, let me tell you something, right? Yesterday we went to the club, right? We were so.
No, we're not gonna do this. We're not gonna do this yet.
No, so.
Really?
All right. Let me just not talk about it. Let me just not talk about it. But then, just to let you know, right? He's not as good as he's making you think.
Guys,
he's not as good as making you think.
You know the vibes.
Bro, it's me, man. It's me. What are you saying? It's me.
Whatever you do, I'm still getting it.
Really?
Hey, these are not part of.
Okay.
See.
Huh? What?
Yeah,
Okay, let me just.
It just has to spill from
Wait,
there.
let me just allow the water to settle first, and then I.
Just say you're scared, so.
No, I'm scared of what?
Scared of.
It's me, man. Alright, let's go. Just lose it. Spill it and lose it so I get his money. Guys, let me show you the money first, fresh money. So,
Guys, you know one thing about life, let me tell you this.
advise them, my boy.
If you think you can do it easily, you will get it. That's when God will let you.
Oh, nah.
Humble.
Do you know Better Boy? Do you know Better Boy?
Yeah, Odogu is humble.
Yeah, he thinks he can do it and he always does it.
Yeah.
That's how I am.
Odogu is humble.
I mean, I'm humble. I'm humble. Me knowing I can do it doesn't mean I'm not humble. It just shows that I can do it, and I'm doing it.
Watch me win now.
Alright, we've been watching for a while now. How is he doing it? That's what I don't really understand. How is he doing it?
It was too good. That's it. Let's spill it.
For where?
You know you spilled it.
For where? Let's go. Odogu looking like $1,000,000. Doing like a religious song.
Do I look like I give a fuck?
Do I? Yo.
I'm fucking wanting to God, you know they like nonsense. God, you know they like nonsense. Can't see her, guys, can't see her.
Yo.
See, I told you, I know what I was saying, man.
Yo, let me.
So good against.
Let me.
I feel like it's a blessing. It's a blessing.
How did this happen? Oh my days. Shish. Oh my fucking days. How is this possible? Anyways. I mean, I allowed him to win because I wanted him to win.
Really, nigga?
I allowed him to win. Honestly, I allowed him to win because I wanted him to win.
No, you can't be serious, you know.
No,
There's money on you. Why would you allow him to win?
He started talking about you need to be humble and all of that.
Right now you're acting like a bitter loser, man.
No. I'm saying he's my boy, right? So I need to let him win. He was like, you need to be humble. God will humble you. God will. So I was like, it's not that deep. It's not that deep. So I mean,
I only gave a life fact, and it's a fact. You can't be touching the money when we are playing a game. Nah, man, what do you mean?
Honestly, right? See, let me be honest with you. This water didn't spill because I poured it inside. It spilled because I shake the table. But then that's the story for another day. I'm not gonna
Story.
We got to give God glory.
So cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I can play.